How to use the Rapid Response 3-in-1 Spiked Drink Pen. For beverage testing, including alcoholic and non-alcoholic drinks and water, read the detailed instructions in the product insert or read the quick reference guide. Scan the QR code on the pouch or quick reference guide to view illustrated instructions and a visual guide on your smartphone. When you're ready, remove the test pen from the pouch. Remove the extraction tube from the test pen and set it aside. Remove the protector from the test pen to reveal the sample tip. Prepare to test your drink. Test your drink directly, or collect a sample using either the protector cap or a clean container. Dip the tip into your drink or sample for 2 seconds. Do not dip past the blue ring. Remove the test pen from the drink and insert it into the extraction tube. Press the pen all the way down. The supporting ring, white band across the colored strips, should line up with the top edge of the extraction tube. Keep the test upright, standing up, on a flat surface while the test is running. In a few seconds, you'll see the liquid flow up the test strips. Read the results for GHB at 3 minutes. If the test pad appears light purple, brown, or there's no color change, the test is negative. GHB could not be detected in your drink. If the test pad appears dark purple or brown, the test is positive. Your drink may have been spiked. Read the results for benzo and ketamine at 5 minutes. If 2 lines appear, the control line and test line, the test is negative. The drug could not be detected. If there is only 1 line, the control line, close to the orange-colored end of the test strip, the test is positive. The drug was detected. Your drink may have been spiked. If there is no control line, the line closest to the orange-colored end of the test strip, the test is invalid. Discard the test and repeat with a new test. Procedural errors or expired tests may cause control line failure. This test is not intended to determine the purity, composition, or if the liquid being examined is safe to use. A positive or negative test result is not a guarantee that the liquid being tested is safe or unsafe to use. Any tested liquid is consumed or used at the consumer's own risk.